Hey guys, welcome back. So let's say now quickly who is your secret admirer. We will shuffle the cards 3 times and then we will see all the zodiac sign or what is important for you, what you need to know about this person. Who is your secret admirer? For those who all are watching right now, it's a collective reading, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what is resonating and leave the rest. And please don't forget to share your comment, your valuable feedback. Right? This person can be strongly Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, fire sign, bit indecisive right now, more in self discovery right now, and want to reconcile with you, but then more hesitant for any kind of change. This person is not accepting any change right now. So, strongly, you can be your person, can be Aquarius. This person do consider you as his her good fortune, lady luck, good luck. This person can be a karma believer also. This person can be strongly Aquarius. This person is looking for change in his life right now. Facing ups and downs of his own life, his own emotions, and this person can be strongly Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Aquarius is very eminent here, guys. So I feel that this person is looking for want completion with you anyhow, anyway, and for that this person is ready to leave anything behind. This energy is you are attracting in your life right now. Any kind of past baggages with you also. Those all the uh, difficult time, difficult phase, difficult situation where you guys had clashes, disagreement. It can be anything. This person really want to end and then want to move towards you. I have got enough of, I can see enough water here, so strongly there's a lot of water. Maybe you cried a lot for this person cried a lot for you, something like this, right? So this kind of energy I am picking for you. Let's see now what kind of whom you are attracting. This person strongly can Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, well disciplined person who thinks, who maybe in past also, who used his head over heart. At the same time, now this person gaining mental clarity, want to be honest with you, and holds leadership qualities in him her, right? So maybe in past this person didn't get the right guidance. Right now this person can be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn strongly, Capricorn, Virgo. So this person right now manifesting you, you are manifesting this person also, and this person is getting more information about you, what you are up to, where you are right now, what's going on in your life. Are you single, are you waiting for this person still, something like this I am picking strongly, guys, right? So this, maybe this person is a married person, maybe this person do have some extra responsibilities. At the same time this person is carrying a lot of overburden, overload right now, and it's like this person is carrying too much of stress in his life, in her life. At the same time this person anyway wants completion with you. Strong sign Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and this person can be a free spirited person also. So childlike energy I'm picking here, very much optimistic, and this person is full of life maybe, and this person do have some blind faith on divine powers, and still looking for the new possibilities in this connection, new beginning in this connection, still waiting for a new beginning. Cancer, Pisces strongly, you guys can be in a divine love journey strongly. So it's like I feel that still this person want to bring back lost harmony, all what happened in the past, wrong things, wrong actions. This person really want to correct those all the past mistake also, want fulfillment with you, want to build a family with you, want to reconcile with you anyway, anyhow, right? So maybe right now this person is more busy in his is in his routine life right now. This person do have some other responsibilities. It can be he's stuck in some kind of financial issues also there, right? But then you guys are not together. This person is very much anxious, worried right now. This person is facing more fears right now, more like a depressive situation. This person do have getting nightmares also, not able to see properly. Maybe this person is going through insomnia, going through with some kind of trauma. But then whatever it is, this person want to give you justice. This person do know that this person was not fair enough with you. So I have got strongly here Libra's energy. This person really want to be fair enough with you. Strong September to October month. Maybe you guys met. It can be important date of birth. Number 4 is very eminent here. So this is what I have for you for now, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Bye bye for now. Take care.